niyang affidavit na pinapirma sa notaryo ay kapareho lang din naman sa kanyang inihayag sa Senate hearing under oath. Pwede bang i-waive na o hindi na ba iisipin etong affidavit na notarized kung sinabi na rin naman niya under oath the same items na inilathala niya doon sa notarized affidavit?
Gandang question yan, Rica. But dapat himayin natin yan eh. If you presented the forged document as appeared to have been the case, then inadmissible in evidence yan. Ngayon, kung itutuloy nung witness na yon na orally by testimony sa Senate proceedings at pinatunayan niya na ang kanyang exactly yung sinabi niya dun sa forged affidavit ay pareho, then the Senate committee can assess that on the basis of what he orally testified on.
Let's talk about how do we cure the situation? Meron po bang legal remedy ngayong meron na pong Manila Regional Trial Court na nagsabi na peke nga? Meron pa po bang way para ma-preserve yung testimony na yon?
Hindi, tatawagin ulit yung witness at patunayan niya na totoo ang sinabi niya sa forged dokumento niya, notarized, allegedly notarized. Patunayan yun independently of the forged affidavit or forged notarial affidavit kuno.
Okay.
So, pag kinonfirm niya sinabi niya, then the Senate will independently assess and evaluate the truthfulness or falsity of his testimony before the Senate committee.
But that wouldn't erase kung ano man po yung civil or criminal liability nung ni Gutesa?
It will not.
Ayun. Okay.
Kasi na-commit na niya yung crime under Article 171, falsification by public official or presentation of false testimony or false document, then that will be punishable under our revised penal code, Article 171 and 172 as well. Kasama na yung nag-present.
Yeah. Apat kasama na yung nag-present. What do you mean kasama na po yung nag-present? Sino po yung nag-present?
Si Senator Marcoleta po ba yan?
Well, kung si Senator Marcoleta, hindi ko po alam kung sino nag-present. I think that was the newspaper account on the presentation. Okay. Then, since he is also a lawyer, then he's also subject to liability as a lawyer under the CPRA.
But did you mean, Attorney Rico, na nag-present doon sa di umano'y notary public?
Yep.
Okay, so hindi po sa Senate.